Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing strategies for evaluating and selecting project and portfolio management software. Our agenda will cover 4 key steps to ensure an effective evaluation. The first step will be to identify your business pain points. It's essential to understand the challenges your organization is facing so you can align your requirements with the right solutions in the marketplace. In step 2, we'll be discussing creating a strategic research plan. While it's easy to browse online, putting together a structured plan is necessary for a more thorough evaluation. Step 3 involves the formal evaluation and selection process. This is essentially preparing an RFI or RFP document that allows you to conduct a side-by-side analysis of your long list of vendors. And finally, step 4 is the vendor selection process. When you're down to your short list, we'll share some tips to help you make the final decision. So, let's dive into step 1. How to clearly identify your requirements and the pain points your organization is facing in its project management processes. Often, organizations feel business pain and immediately seek out solutions in the marketplace, hoping to find a quick fix. However, that's not the best approach, especially in the complex world of project and portfolio management software. Instead, it's best to take a step back and fully understand what specific issues you need to address. Whether you have multiple pain points or just one major challenge, identifying these clearly will set you up for success and give you a quick win once the solution is implemented. Additionally, it's not just about identifying your pain points. You need to get buy-in from all stakeholders. This means understanding the needs of everyone who will interact with the system, not just your own department or team. Involving key stakeholders early ensures that the solution you choose will be a good fit across your organization. Once you've identified your pain points and have stakeholder buy-in, you're ready to start researching solutions and move on to step 2, building a strategic research plan. Now, research should be approached as a process, not simply a quick online search. If you just Google terms like PPM software or project management tools, you'll be overwhelmed with hundreds of options, many of which may lead you down the wrong path. Instead, it's important you take a step-by-step approach. First, align your research with the specific business challenges you want to solve. Then, incorporate both an online and offline strategy. Don't just rely on what you find online. Talk to colleagues, other organizations that use similar solutions, and even subject matter experts or industry analysts for additional insights. Your research should also go beyond just features and functions. Consider the history of the vendor, their business model, financial viability, and get a comprehensive understanding of the market landscape. By the end of this process, you should have a vendor long list, a set of potential suppliers that can address your specific project management needs. That brings us to step 3, establishing a formal evaluation strategy. Once you've created a long list of vendors, it's time to formalize your evaluation with an evaluation matrix. This often takes the form of a request for information, RFI, or request for proposal, RFP document. The purpose of this document is to provide transparency and ensure you find the best fit solution. It should be comprehensive and formalized, detailing all your specific requirements and prioritizing them accordingly. But don't just focus on functional needs. Include factors like budget constraints, engagement preferences with the service provider, and any technology limitations. At the end of this process, you'll have a side-by-side analysis of your long list, which should help you narrow it down to a vendor shortlist for a deeper evaluation and final selection. And that brings us to step 4, selecting the right vendor. Choosing the right PPM software is in a way both a science and an art. While you need to ensure the software meets your functional needs, you'll also be working with people, so there needs to be a cultural fit between you and the service provider. And of course, it must be financially viable. To make the best choice, involve all key decision makers in the evaluation process. Make sure vendors can validate and revalidate their solutions through demos, trials, and any collateral they provide. Develop a solid procurement strategy to avoid surprises as you move forward. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. You can also visit our online blog and explore Cerri project and its products on our website. Goodbye, and until next time.